Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're doing a right rear tail light in our 07 Mazda 3 sedan. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to pop the trunk. The release lever is mounted by the driver's feet on the floor mat. There's a gas and a trunk release. Let's lift up and we head on back. Let's see what we get. Okay, so to start removing the right rear tail ends, I'm going to remove this plastic body piece inside the trunk here. I'm going to start by these hooks for nets are actually screw-on. I'll unscrew this side. Might not have to undo the other side. Once we get to that point, it might just be a matter of body clips that popped on. Oh, there's the clip right there. So this is a little piece. I'll take my tool, body tool, pop that ear. Let's see how much we get movement there. I'm going to go straight across because I don't want to break the plastic by forcing it. The body clip's missing on this side, so we'll undo the hook. Okay, now with my body tool, I'm going to reach in there and start pushing up on the body clips. Let's see if we can get in there now. We can, we don't have to take it all the way off. So now I have access to the two mounting bolts for the tail light. So I'm going to disconnect the connectors first. There's a pinch tab on the inside here. Pinch and pull. See, there's the tab. Same identical one on this side. Just pinch and pull it. We're going to get a 10mm socket and release these two holding nuts. You're going to want to use a deep socket or a wrench to break those free. Let's get the second one. Now with a strong little delicate firm, we're going to pull this out, and there we have it. So what you're pulling out is that little push pin in there, you know, that plastic lock. It has a stage on it, snaps in, so a firm pull and it will come right out for you. Here we have the brand new right rear tail light assembly from 1aauto.com, and here we have the factory tail light assembly. The 1A Auto has the same design lens, has an amber and a red lens on the internal parts. That is for turn signal and stop and running light. And you flip it over. It's got the two mounting screws. The studs are fitted in the plastic, so you just reuse the nuts, the lock nuts. And the system comes with two new sockets with bulbs. Got your amber for your turn signal. And you have your clear for your turn, for your brake light and running light. So if you need this part or any other part for your car, head on over to 1aauto.com. Click on the link below. When we're assembling, we're going to guide that lock clip right into that little snap pin. Give it a little push, and then we're going to put our 2 nuts on the studs. There we go. Get our 10mm socket. You don't want to over tighten it, but you'll feel it bottom out. It's plastic and it's just a little body stud, so you don't want to over tighten it. Now we can reassemble the harness for this light. Click it in, make sure it clicks in. If it doesn't click in, you can examine it and make sure that the tab is pushed back out so it locks. Locks in. Okay, so we're going to put that piece back in. Remember, we popped 2 of these tabs, so slam them down. We'll put the net mounting bolt back in. We have 1 bobby pin clip. And then we're going to remount the net screw on this side. Take our tools out of the trunk, and let's go see if it works. So, running lights, right turn, then brake.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.